Welcome back to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in today's video it's just going to be some food prep. I just recently did a grocery haul, and I'm finally getting to doing some of the food prep, and I'm just going to bring you along with me. So in this video as well, not only am I doing food prep on items that I had bought recently, I am also going to be making a batch of peanut butter cookie dough balls, and I'm going to be putting them in the freezer so that we can pull them out and make them when we want a sweet treat. I do have oatmeal chocolate butterscotch cookie dough in the freezer already to pull and make if we need a sweet treat, just to kind of stay away from the Dairy Queen. I will have the recipe that I used for the peanut butter cookies in the description box below. And the only thing is that I didn't use Jif peanut butter. I used creamy peanut butter that I got at Aldi's. I am flash freezing the peanut butter cookie dough. I have some leftover oatmeal cookie dough as well. These are just, they're not, like diet friendly, but they're a sweet treat that we can pull out and make. Yes, I have to turn the oven on to make them, but at least I don't have to drive uptown and then we're going to the Dairy Queen, okay? Because that stuff is so expensive. And I have all the ingredients to make sweet treats here. So that's what my goal is to do this summer, is to just try to spend eating more at home. I mean, we eat a lot at home anyway, but treats as well. So here's all the prep work that I had done today, to include, I washed up the apples as well. They needed to get cleaned up. So I have 1 whole green pepper. This one here I cut in half, cleaned it so we can slice it up for fresh eating. Half of an onion. The cucumber I sliced up for fresh eating. These I have plans for. I'm going to make a taco dip with cream cheese in that for a future meal here. So I'm going to use parts of all this, but I'm also going to incorporate not the tomatoes, but the assorted colored peppers, green pepper, onion, in with the Texas caviar I'm going to make for myself. Here's the 2 cheeses cut up into little chunks and the summer sausage. This makes, it's kind of like doing a Lunchable. It's just like a homemade Lunchable for yourself. You can bring crackers, you don't have to, but you're getting protein, but it's also something that you don't have to cook or heat up. And this makes for really quick lunches and or snacks in the afternoon, because I like to snack. Everyone in our house likes to snack. So in the refrigerator, we do have some celery left over and some carrots for fresh eating. So that is nice. That's why I only got a cucumber. And then I can cut up the green pepper as well if we need to. I want to make sure that I get the celery and carrots eaten up first though. So that is going to wrap up me prepping some food for the next couple weeks here. I don't normally bring you along for it, but I just thought, okay, I'm going to do it today. And it's starting to get hot out. So I'm trying to think of meals that we can cook outside or that I can make ahead of time. I mean, I do freezer meals in that, but casseroles in the oven, not doing it on a really hot day. I have air conditioning, but I still don't want to heat the house up. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.